Hi guys, it's Habib here. In this video, I'm going to share with you, one, how to test your DV Lottery photo with the photo tool on the DV website. Okay, on the DV Lottery website. That's one. And the secondly, how to check your photo size. They said it must be less or equal to 240 kilobytes. So among all your photos in your gallery, there is a simple way that you can check it yourself without using any website. Okay, check it yourself whether that photo met the requirement. That's the second thing that we are going to do, because it left with 9 or 8 days for us to go. So it's never too late. Tomorrow you can even relax, take your photo, then apply. I'm telling you, the best person to apply for you is yourself. Don't go and give it to someone and the person will go and misbehave with your informations. Okay, the best person to apply the DV lottery is yourself. If you are not educated, just search for someone in your family or maybe a friend who is educated, who can read and write, and let him help you. So as I said in this video, I want to share with you, one, how to use the photo tool yourself, where to get them, and the secondly, how to check the photo size. It's either with the application or check the photo size in your gallery, and that's one of the simplest way. Aside that, I'm going to answer all the questions that my subscribers asked me under those videos that I did. That's within this month and last month. That's about the DV lottery. And guys, congratulations, because we just hit 5,000 subscribers. It means a lot to me. That's like we sacrifice for each other. I teach and you also support with likes, subscription, and comments. So without wasting my time, let's dive into it. Alright guys, if this is your first time on the channel, kindly like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon so that whenever I do videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. But if you've been here with us, Aquaba as usual. So it's now 12 o'clock p.m. I said today I'm going to do that video, answer your questions. So in this video, as I said, I'm going to show you how to test with your photo to yourself. The DV Lottery photo tool, how to test your own photo and see whether it met the requirement, because I can't receive all of you's photo and do the testings for you, so you can do it yourself. I'm going to show you that. Secondly, how to check your photo size. One of the simplest way you can do it through your photos in the gallery. And also you can also use that passport photo tool app and also check to reduce your photo size, because the DV Lottery website says your photo size must be less or equal to 240 kilobytes. You can do that simplest way in your gallery. And after that, the third thing that we're going to do here is to answer all your questions about the DV lottery, because I've been busy. You can see how I'm sweating. It's 12 p.m. I have to rest, but after this video. So now let's quickly go to any browser, hit dvprogram.state.gov. So I'm using Chrome. After hitting, this is the surface that's going to pop up. Now if you check below, hit on photo example. Okay, don't hit on begin entry. Let me zoom in. Hit on photo example. I'm going to show you some few things. It left with 9 or 8 days for us to go, so it's never too late. Even tomorrow, you can take your time, relax, and take a photo with a white background. Check the size, whether it met or it passed the requirement, reduce it, and use it to apply. So here, if you check it all, let me also hit on digital image requirement at the top right hand side of your screen. So if you check below, you can see file format. They said the image must be in JPEG file format. You can do that with that application. I did a video about that. You can watch this video. And after that, you can see the image must be less than or equal to 240 kilobyte. For this one, you can do it without any application or website, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So if you're going to test your own photo with the DV Lottery photo tool, look at the DV Lottery photo tool at the right hand side of your screen. You can see a human icon, and below it is photo tool. So hit on the photo tool. Now after hitting on the photo tool, let me zoom in. After hitting on the photo tool, they said US citizen, do not use this tool if you are renewing your passport online. Now choose a photo to begin. So hit on choose photo. It will take you directly into your gallery. And that's how I've been checking some of the subscribers' photos, because some of them have been able to contact me. I sent them my telephone number. They sent me the photo and I checked. If it doesn't meet the requirement, I'll send it back to them with a screenshot to show them evidence. But it's for free. I'm not taking any money. So now let me try. Okay. we use any of the photos. So let me go with this one. I've selected that photo from my gallery. Let's hit on done at the top right hand side of the screen. Look at it. Your photo does not need cropping. Photo dimensions are 600 by 600 pixels. So this photo met the requirement. Have you seen that? So if you don't like this photo and you want to change the photo, you can hit on choose new photo. So now I taught you how to check your photo on your own, but I'm very sorry that I did this late. I've been busy. Don't blame me. Sorry for that. Now we know how to choose or check our own photo using the photo tool provided by the DV Lottery website. Let me go back. Now I'm going to, tell you the second step. That's how to reduce the size. But because I don't want to waste time, I've already done that video, and it's about that photo tool app, how to check and make sure you meet all the requirements. So you can go and hit that video and watch how to do that. That's the second one. Thirdly, I said I'm going to answer all your questions. But before that, let me send let me show you the easiest way to check your photo size through your gallery, whether it met it or not. So let's enter our gallery. Look at something, and this is one of the easiest way that we've known, but most of us refuse to pay attention. So let me select that same video that I uploaded, or maybe any video, any photo. Sorry. So I hit this photo. This is the photo that I'm going to use to apply. How will I check whether this photo size met the DV lottery program's requirement? They said less or equal to 240 kilobytes. So if you check at the bottom right hand side of your screen, you see three dots, and below it is written more. So hit on more. When you hit on more, you can see mark, you can see add, you can see slideshow, you can see set wallpaper, and below it is photo info. That's your photos information. So let's hit on photo info. When we hit on photo info, you can see all your photos information popped up. This format is in JPEG. It met the requirement. And this photo, I didn't try it on any application, okay? And after that, the resolution, you can check it there, but there's a problem with the resolution. After that, also, you can see file size. That's your photo size. It's 141.5 kilobyte. This is below or equal to 240. They said below or equal to 240. So this is below, which is 141.5 kilobyte. So it met the requirement. After that, use this photo, check it on the app, and you'll be good to go. Guys, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon so that whenever I do videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. Now, I showed you how to use the app and check your photo through that DV Lottery photo tool. Secondly, I told you go to this video, watch it, and see how to reduce the photo size and meet all the resolutions. And also, thirdly, I showed you through your gallery and the simplest way to check your photo size and see whether it met the requirement. I said select the photo, hit on more, and below it you'll see photo info. Just check it out. Now let's go back and let me answer some few questions that the subscribers asked. But guys, shout out to you all. Okay, I really appreciate your effort because we've hit 5,000 subscribers. You mean a lot to me, and use this opportunity to congratulate others also in the comment section down below. If you are enjoying this video, let me know in the comment section down below. Now this one said, "You are crazy." Yes, that's one of the YouTube short that I tested when I started doing YouTube. Okay, I tested this short, and a lot of people are insulting, but it's cool. I don't care. Now, here is one who said, "You are an angel. Thank you." And this is the video I'm talking about. How I used to reduce the photo size and all the resolutions. So there is, Luther King. Yes, Luther King 84 thanks me, and there is another one. Thank you very much. I want to answer the questions. Okay, they said, "Hi, how can I send you my picture to check it for me?" Thank you very much. So to send me your picture, I showed you how to do that. But if you can't do it, this is my phone number, and that's where you'll be able to send the photo, and I will do that for you. I never wanted to publicize this number, but for your sake, yes, we are here to help each other. So just hit on +225 +225 010 396 3903. It's an Ivorian number. +225 010 396 3903, and send your photo so that I'll check it for you. but I'm not saying everyone should do that, okay? Because I alone can't do it all. That's why I'm trying to show you the way, okay? I'm not giving you money. I'm showing you the way so that you'll be able to also do it. So I think I answered your question. This one also said, great, bro. A lot of people are giving nice comments about that particular video that I'm telling you. Go and check it out and make sure you do everything yourself. There is also one who said, I'm also a Ghanaian in Cote d'Ivoire. Welcome, and want to apply and join you there. Where were you in Abidjan? I'm in Abidjan and I am in Yopougon. Okay, I'm in Abidjan in Yopougon. That's in Cote d'Ivoire. So shout out to you, my Ghanaian brother, also staying in Cote d'Ivoire. Yes. So let's see this one. Gloria Salifo. She said, please, is PayPal working in Ghana? What I knew before coming, PayPal wasn't working in Ghana, and a lot of us who tried creating PayPal accounts, it will take some few days or months and it will get blocked. So if you have money, you will not be able to withdraw and you will not be able to maybe send it to someone. So I think the best way to get PayPal is maybe get someone abroad that you trusted, maybe a relative, a family member, a friend that you trusted, help you create the PayPal account and give you the details so that you'll be able to use it here. I think I answered that question. Now, there's another one. Hello, my brother. Thank for the app. I use it, but uploading it in the US Photo 2 website is rejected my photo. Are you sure you did it well? Are you sure you did it well? So you can go on, and the photo tool is not for removing the background, the white background, because there's one particular guy that has been on my neck. He said after using that photo, still the background is same. Yes, that app is not for removing background. It's for reducing size, checking the resolution, and also making sure it's in JPEG and other, recommendation or requirements asked by the DV Lottery website. So I think I answered your question. It's been rejected. Check it well. And if it is rejecting, then you have to know that that photo, maybe it is blur, it doesn't meet the quality, and you have to check it well. So just check it, and whatever it is, just let me know. As I give you my number, I said +225 010 396 3903. Now let's see. Alicious Jallo. She said what? True talk, you are very smart, bro. I salute and I really appreciate. So there is one Deborah Mutoni also said, I need smartphone that has 142 GB RAM. It's on Black Friday offer. Oh, that's one of the shots that I did long ago. You can still get them if you do your research well or maybe the sourcing well. That's on the Junior app. You get a nice one. Yes, and I wish you all the best. Now there is another one who said, how many times can you review the card and stay in the country? How do you get a permanent resident? To get a residential permit in Cote d'Ivoire is one of the easiest way to do. So I said that I even have a Ghanaian friend who's working in that police station in Cote d'Ivoire. That's one of the police stations close to us. So if you want to do a residential permit in Cote d'Ivoire, you have to go to the police station and do that. Easiest way. And I think it lasts for 3 months. And after every 3 months, you have to go and do another one. Simple. Now they said I can't create mini pay account, and this is not why we are here today. I'm very sorry, but I'm here for the DV lottery, and maybe I'll try and answer those questions later. Yes, because that application, the mini news or whatever, it reached a particular moment in Ghana, it wasn't working. Yes, it wasn't working. I'm sorry for that. He said, thank you very much, brother. That's Aiduyari. I really appreciate. Well done, bro. Good. This is the guy that I said he's been on my neck. He said, I don't know if I am the only one observing that the background of the photo is still the same even after editing. Yes, I took the photo with cloth being placed behind me, and if you check the photo, you'll still see that cloth. It wasn't clear. But the photo tool or that application is not for removing background. So if you're talking of the background, I can also edit and remove my background, but maybe the this thing DVLottery website is going to reject it. Okay, so just forget about the quality of the photo. What you have to do is make sure you use that photo to reduce your size and the resolution, and also check all the dimensions and whatever the DV Lottery website is recommending or is asking of. Okay, so this app is not for removing background, bro. I'm sorry, that's Mansa product. Another friend from Ghana because of this Mansa. So I say good voice. Thank you. Keep it up. Is the app on App Store? For that one, I can't tell. Okay, I can't tell, and I'm really sorry. So you can check it out yourself. Maybe you might get a different app that works like this app, but for that one, I don't know. They said, please can send it. You edit it for me. Oh, I mean, she want to send the photo so that I will edit. That's Jane. Is she not the one who already sent it? Because I have one Kenyan girl who sent it. I did it, and another one sent it, and I did it, but it was rejected. Both of them. So this said, does the mark of the phone in which we use matter? The mark, the mark. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Please, how about the inches? Inches. Sorry to say, this is not a nail, okay? The inches, I don't know, but just read the requirement and make sure you give the right info. They said what? My phone is not showing ID photo. Does so. Don't know the one to choose from the two photo. Please help. So I know from all that I said, you'll be able to, figure out your question here and make sure you do the right thing. Yes. This one also said, how many subscribers do one need to create a YouTube? You don't need subscribers to create a YouTube. Just create the YouTube channel, start uploading, start creating content, and when the subscribers reach 1,000 and you get 4,000 watch hours, you'll be monetized, and that's when the money will start popping up. Okay, so you don't need subscribers first to start YouTube. With 0 subscribers, you can still start YouTube. And I wish you all the best in your journey. This one said, I do not understand for file size low or up. The file size, it says be less or equal to 240 kilobyte, and I showed you how to check it from your gallery to see whether it met. So the file size should be lower than that 240 kilobyte, and I'm sure I answered your question. This one also said, please, how can I create PayPal? I said about that, and this one said, no, this is not concerning the. All right, I think I've answered all the questions now, guys. If you like this video, all that I said, you've enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section down below. It's still your boy Habib Educate. I'm just trying to figure out some one or two things, and I'll start bringing out contents back to back. Yes, I mean it. I'm just figuring out a lot of things in Cote d'Ivoire here, and after that you see more content, especially my Ghanaian brothers in Cote d'Ivoire and also Nigerians brothers in Cote d'Ivoire. There will be more contents coming, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon so that whenever I do videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. It's still your boy Habib Educate, and I'll see you in the next video. Congratulations for 5,000 subscribers.